Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are all guys are fine. So in this video we will discuss about the top 11 security threats to the cloud and 11 cloud security challenges. So in this video we will discuss about the top 11 security threats to the cloud and the top 11 cloud security challenges. Enterprises. In the beginning of the channel video, I request you to, if you are new on our YouTube channel, then kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from our channel. So let's get started the video where we discuss about the top 11 security threats to the cloud and the top 11 cloud security challenges. So let's get started the video and come to the main topic. And enterprises needs to make adopting a cloud first strategy a top priority more than ever have before despite the cloud security challenges. As the term public cloud suggests, each new instance of the type of cloud computing has the potential to create a security crisis. It is quite improbable, and that is a default setting for a new cloud instance. So you will meet not most fundamental security requirements for any type of company operations. Although the cloud presents the new potential to upgrade services and the restructure operations, fewer businesses realize the full value anticipated from their their investments in the clouds. The most significant obstacles to the cloud adoptions is still and the risks associated with the security and the complaints. These limitations, the difficulty of the identify and the complexity of the secure model. So complexity of the secure models. So complexity of the secure configurations compiled with a skills gap. So skills gap may pose substances and on the path to the cloud first computing and first computing in the cloud first path. Security is frequently viewed as the most significant barrier, yet it is a truth. It can be a most significant enabler. Let's break down the cloud security challenges into the following topics. So what are the top 11 cloud security challenges? The cloud security alliance disclosed in the report top threats and to the cloud computing. According to the pandemic 11, the security concerns of the cloud providers CSP have shifted substantially. New more elements such as configurations and automations, such as the consumer awareness of cloud computing has involved, and that is the inactively concerns. In other phases, the focus of cloud security has shifted from information security to the step and the authentications. According to a study, the report personalized following security challenges order to the importance of the offer control recommendation and a real world reference sample to the help regularities risks and the technology terms. So first one is the insufficient identity credentials access and the key management. The second one is insecure interfaces and APIs. The third one is misconfigurations and inadequate challenge control, lack of cloud security architectures and the strategy, insecure software developments, unsecure third-party resources, system vulnerabilities. The eighth one is accidental cloud data disclosures and misconfigurations and the explosions of serverless and the container workloads. The 10th one is organized crime hackers APT. The 11th one is a cloud storage data exfiltrations. This one is a top 11 cloud security challenges. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, 7, 8, 9, and 11. Insufficient identity, insecure, and so this picture is shown that the 11 top 11 security clouds of the. So first one is that now we discuss about the first one is that the identify insufficient identity credential access and a key magnifying privileged accounts. The identity credential and the access management systems compromise tools and the rules that enables enterprises to the control, monitor, and the safeguard access to the valuable resources. So the examples include digital files, computer systems, and the physical assets such as a server room and the structures. So in order to prevent and to the insufficient preventals in a personal access following offering offboarding or a rule change accounts have to be provisions immediately and the previously that decreases the probability of the data exfiltrations or exfiltration or the exposures in addition to deprovisioning privileged accounts. It is essential that responsibilities and the roles corresponds to need to now scale multiple people with excessive privileges increase the probability of the data mishandling or account takeover. How does it affect the business? So the following are examples of potential unfavorable outcomes that can result from inaccurate identity credentials access to the access and key management and the privileged account management. Poor business performance and a decreased protection results from the retaliatory and the excessive restrictive lockdowns. Testing burnout among employees, which leads to the reduction in the complaints and the apathy about security concerns. So security concerns, exfiltration of the day of redirections of complaints about the both exfiltrations of the data, exfiltration of the data of a drop concerns. This one is a drop in a consumer confident and the cost of response and the accident conducting the investigations which caused financial burdens. So ransomware as well as disruptions to supply chains. Examples of the security challenges. So the following are the some example of more recent cloud security incidents. A deeper look at SIGA Europe cloud reveals two significant cloud misconfigurations that are important for the configurations management. The permission for accessing the AWS S3 buckets were changed to allow public access. So in the cloud, credentials were stored in the third hard-coded format. If sandbox submissions have mean that the submission and the submission and the Capital One AWS insider breach relied heavily and the how to deal. The first one is the how to deal. The result of proper IAM, and the key management cloud include the following. Because of the strengthened defenses at the core of the enterprise's architectures, hackers are now forced to focus on the endpoint user identity as the easiest target. A simple authentication process for separate users and application based isolation is not enough to make a robust zero trust layer. Operational policies and the structured risks models are also essential component of the sophisticated tools such as the second one is a insecure interface and the APIs. The application programming interface APIs is becoming increasingly important, and its use is become increasingly wide separate. It is necessary to test APIs and the microservices for vulnerabilities caused by the improper configuration, the sloppy coding practices, insufficient authorizations, and inappropriate authentications. Due to these omissions, the interfaces may be left open to attacks by malicious. The malicious common example include endpoint with the authorization insufficient, endpoint insufficiency. So excessive permissions, reactive. How does it affects the businesses? There are risks of. So the third one is a misconfigurations and the inadequate changes control. Misconfigurations are the risks and are a optimal setup of computing assets which may expose them to unintended change or external internal malicious activity. Misconfigurations can be caused by the lack of system knowledge or understanding of security settings and the malicious interest. And so this one is, and how does it work? And the fourth one is that lack of cloud security architectures and a strategy. The cloud security strategy and the security architecture includes analysis analysis and a selection of a cloud and developments cloud and cloud service models, cloud services, service providers, CSPs, service area availability zone, particular cloud services, general principle, and a predetermination, the rapid rate of the change. So the fifth one is that insecure software development. So cloud techniques have a tendency to add to the complexity of a software. This complexity results in the emergency of unwanted functionality that could facilitate and the establishment of the explicit and possible misconfiguration as a result of accessible of the code of accessible and so establishments of the exploitation and the possible misconfigurations. So Fedza and fourth and the sixth one is the unsecured third-party resources. In a world where cloud computing use and accelerate, a third-party resources may refer to anything from one source code to source protects and the API risks, security issue to the cloud vendors managed service risks. Risks resulting from third-party resources are also called supply chain vulnerabilities as they are inherent to delivering your goods as services. This danger occurs in all consumable good and the services. Despite this, the growing reliance on the third-party service and the software-based goods over the past few years has led to increased exploitation of these vulnerabilities and the hackable configurations, according to the study conducted by the Colorado State University. The seventh one is a system vulnerability. Is a cloud services platform contains system vulnerabilities that they could be exploited to undermine and configurably in integrity and the availability of the data. Potentially distribution service operations allow components may contain flaw that leave the cloud services vulnerable to attack. So the eighth one is accidental cloud data disclosure. A lack of security governance and control is frequently caused by the complexity of the cloud and a transition to the cloud service ownership which involves multiple teams and business divisions in increasing amounts of the configurations for cloud resources in cloud. So misconfigurations and exploitations of a serverless and containers workload. In serverless architectures, the CSP is reasonable for the management and the security of the underlying infrastructure. The environment becomes less secure if the CSP permits customers to the configuration serverless containers with longer lifetimes. The 10th one is the organization crime hackers API tests advanced persistence threats APIs are the umbrella of the term for the tech company in the infrastructures groups and the content authorize long terms work in order to harvest extremely services. 11 one is a cloud storage cloud storage data exfiltration. Exfiltration of a cloud storage data is an occurrences involving sensitive, protected, or confidential data. These data may be disclosed, seized, stolen, or utilized by individual outside the firm working environment. Exfiltrations of data may be primarily. So this one is our today's video topic. I hope you all guys like this video. If you like this video, then kindly share this video and subscribe this video and press the bell icon so you will never miss any update from our channel. So you will never miss any update from our channel. I hope you all guys like with this video. We will meet again in the next video. Goodbye for the next one.